Okay, hello everyone. This is Bola again. We're going to be trading the non-farm payroll report, and for today, I'm going to focus on 4 pairs. Now, I already have a trade running since yesterday, and I'll quickly give you an analysis why I placed the trade. I rolled it over. This is the euro dollar pair, by the way, and you know the first currency is the one that is normally being measured. So as you can see from the charts, if we go to the day chart, you can see from the day chart that for the past 3 days it has been going down. The open price here was 1.08 thousand, and then we had another candle following it, because I got in based on this candle here yesterday. I saw that prices had been pushed down to this point here. You know, the bearish candle opens from above and closes below. So this is the close right here, 1.07600. So it was at this point that I got in, because when you see a long trend, or rather a trend going up, and you look for your harami, this is the harami right here. You can see the body of this day was green, and it was like well, I'll say it's in an oversold condition, overbought condition, based on this harami I'm seeing here. You can see that the body is completely contained in the previous body. So when you see this at the end of a long trend, it could signal the share prices about to come down, or at least a retracement. Because if you look at this trend here, if it pushes up, harami came down, this is a retracement, like a counter trend. It's an uptrend, but you should always expect pullbacks. And then it did the same thing, up. So definitely when you see the next candle being bearish on the day chart, particularly at the end of a long trend, it's always very good to short it. So that means the share prices are gonna keep going down. Now this is today. I opened this trade yesterday. I rolled it over based on the fact that I knew it was going to come down at least 2 more days. So that is the result you're seeing there. I placed it yesterday, and it's now 616 pounds. Now because we have the non-farm payroll report coming in, I'm going to actually leave this trade so you can see how it affects how it affects if you're trying to trade in anticipation that that the prices are gonna go down based on what I'm seeing here. Then you'll now see the movement. We'll be concentrating on my profit here, and hopefully that is going to accommodate any volatility. So this is the part where you either make money very fast or you lose it very fast. So that's why it's important you use your technical indicators, have a lot of your technical analysis agreeing with that trading decision you're about to make. So let me apply my indicators. For a trending share price, we need the moving averages. Okay, I'll go with MACD. Let me go with MACD. MACD is good for trending share prices as well, and it is a momentum indicator. it lets you know exactly what is going to well, you just basically get your signals from these indicators. So if we're looking at the MACD, the parameters I'm going to use is 5 days, 26 days, and 5 days. So we click on OK. So this is the MACD right here. The way you use the MACD is that if the blue line is the blue line is the MACD itself, and the yellow line is the signal line. So when this crosses, when they cross over above coming below, it means it's predicting, or rather it's confirming a trend to you, a downtrend. You can see the cross here. It confirmed that you should do a downtrend here. So following all these charts to this point, where do you think this the next direction is going to be? Notice that we're still on the day chart, and you can see that for today it's a very big red down. So hopefully if the news announcement comes out and it continues in this direction, our profit target should be somewhere here. Let me see if I can draw a line. This should be a profit target, 1.03395. Okay, let's just leave it here. Sorry, it's 1.07324. So that candle, that last candle you're seeing, we're expecting that the push from the volatility might at least bring it all the way down here. You can spot a kind of double top. I'll just see if I can get this line away. Okay, let me leave it here just. Yeah. So it did a break. If you look at it, it almost looks like heads and shoulders. But we're going to go with the last, I mean upside down, but we're going to go with the last candle. It's still saying bearish, so let's go. The next thing you want to do is go to the 60-minute chart, and the MACD is still telling us that the the sellers are gaining momentum. Because another way you can look at the MACD is that when you see small peaks, especially the green ones, when you see them getting bigger, it means acceleration. It means they're gaining momentum. So the MACD is a momentum indicator, and you can see from where this line crossed here, if you move up to the chart, you can see that because it crossed from below going up, it means that it has given you the buy signal. And then when you see it crossing over here, you take cover, or rather you come out and then you short it, because it means it's coming all the way down here. So all the while it was crossing over on the MACD, you can see how it affected the charts above. So that's how you use your MACD. And then when you see, okay, these are perfect examples of a bullish trend. You can see that the first peak is very small, followed by a bigger peak, and then this is the biggest. If you note from where this small peak started, which is here, it went all the way up to this point. So that's how you know if your MACD is going, how to get your signal. Sorry, today is just a bit slow for me. All right, after your 1 hour chart, you can see the 1 hour here. What is it telling us here? Let's zoom in. Now this has been coming down all the way here on the 1 hour chart. If you check this candle here, that's 1 hour. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the past 5 hours, this candles means the share price has been dropping. But now there's a green candle appearing, which is a bullish candle, by the way. So we don't know if this is gonna be a counter trend down. It's gonna retrace and keep on coming down. So this is what we have to look at right now, because it's looking like a harami here. Remember the pregnant woman? The body of this candle is very long. It is at the end of a long trend, and it looks like on the 1 hour chart, by the way, it's different when you look at the different time frames. So we can see that this candle is actually looking like it wants to come up, but if it comes all the way up to at least 50% of this previous candle here, the bearish candle, then it could be a harami, which means I have to get out of the trade. You can see that the fact that the green candle is still moving around there, and it looks like it's getting bigger. My profits fell from 617 to 570. No, sorry, 571. Yeah, it's still moving anyway. So we don't know if this is gonna be a counter trend or it's going to be a change in direction. So let's see where the 15-minute chart is gonna be. We need to know what it's telling us. So on the 15-minute chart, you can see that the MACD is going sideways. The higher up the signal lines cross, the better the signal you receive. So let's keep going down, because I want to zoom in on the last 3 candles if we're looking at the 15-minute chart. And you can see that for the past 45 minutes, this has been going up on the 15-minute chart. So each of these candles represents 15 minutes. So this is 45 minutes right here. Now, for us to know if this trend is going to be the beginning of a new trend on the 15-minute chart, if we want to know if it's gonna do a reversal, take a look at this. This is the doji bar. That means the open and close for this very session is the same. There's indecision. We have 2 doji bars following each other, saying this could be an indecision. So I'm going to leave my stop. Let's draw a line here. Okay. Now, if this green candle goes all the way up there and breaks this resistance, then we don't want to be in the trade. The general trend on the 1-day chart is down, so this could be very temporal, this retracement here. So whenever you're in a trade and you don't know if it's still going in your favor or if it's not, this is what you look at. You look for that sideways move, and then if there's a breakout above here, if there's a breakout, as in this green candle breaks this resistance, then it means that it will be this start of